How to fix login error in Foodhub application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues with the application. However, if you're still facing any login errors, go to your settings, scroll down and click on general, click on iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Foodhub application. Click on show all, and you want to start scrolling until you see the Foodhub application. And once you've found it, click on the application and click on offload app. Click on offload app again and click on reinstall app. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other application problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.